Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I have a very special guest, my sister Ronnie.
Hi.
So in today's video, oh my god, this is the first time that she does. No, you've been in a video obviously before, but
yeah,
hace
girl.
mucho.
Yo hablo inglés español.
Spanglish. Pero hace mucho.
Sí, en el video
de maybe lo
de
dulce.
De lo dulce asiático.
I'll insert a clip in here. I actually filmed a video with her for her channel, so go ahead and check it out. I'll link it down below. We did a thrift store challenge, so go ahead and check it out. Subscribe to her YouTube channel and show some love. You already know. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out the Rezo hair care curly hair products, and my sister over here has a Rezo curly hair cut. So
¿Qué tan largo? Un Rezo cut.
Un Rezo cut. So we are going to be trying these products on her haircut and on my haircut. I only have like a very simple curly haircut with layers, you know, but she has the Rezo cut. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So we already tried the shampoo and conditioner and I loved it. Did you like it?
Yeah, I loved it too.
So this is the shampoo. It's like a very dark gray. The only thing is that it kind of does stain like your towels a little bit. Like, you see. But
¿De qué mi towel?
Oh, ese tuyo. Yo pensaba que ese era uno que tenía ahí. But I'm sure it goes away when you wash it. And then the conditioner is also like that, but it's like a lighter gray. And the conditioner is so good for like detangling your hair. I love my hair so soft and ready to curl. So now we're gonna try this serum. This is infused with black tea and we haven't tried this yet, so we're gonna try this now. Oh, but first we gotta wet our hair because it's too dry. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my hair. I've heard really good things about these products, so I'm so excited to try them. So thank you so much, Rezo Hair, for sending them to me. My sister over here got the pretty big chop, right, Manny? She cut a lot. I can't do that. I'm too scared to do it. I just cut like little by little, but if you want to do the big chop, totally recommend it. Her curls are way bouncier now and it curls just like a lot more than before. So this serum is supposed to help with frizz, it's supposed to add more shine, and it's supposed to protect your hair from the heat. So that's perfect because we're going to use a diffuser. So I'm going to add a little bit of this on my hair. So this feels more like an oil. So I'm going to add a pretty good amount.
Me too.
It smells so good. Ooh. So I'm just gonna add that all over my hair. Ooh, this feels good.
And it smells good.
Como que el pelo se siente más suave. Like right away. Wow, I like it. And we're gonna add a little bit more at the end once the hair is like dry, just to add more shine and so that the curls can be more like soft. We're gonna use my Juli brush to kind of detangle my hair and detangle your hair, and then we're gonna use the Denman brush to style it, define the curls. You already know. So now we're gonna move to this step. So this is the number 3 curl define hair gel, and I'm just gonna add, this is what it looks like. Just gonna add a little bit to my hair.
A little bit
too. A little bit. Or a lot. So I like to do 2 sections, and then my sister likes to do
like 6 sections.
Like 6. She has a little bit more like coarse hair than me. Look at these curls in the bottom. Wow. So I like to just do 2 sections and then use the Denman brush. But basically we're just adding some of this gel on our hair. Pretty much everywhere. So she's still applying some gel on her hair, so I'm gonna start using the Denman brush to kind of define my curls a little bit. So I'm just brushing it like that and then scrunching it. Whoa.
Está más seco.
Tu pelo se seca más rápido.
Mi pelo se seca.
Pero es bonito.
Qué funny.
This step is so important to me because I need to define my curls a little bit and scrunch for sure, because oh my god, my curls need some help. They need to come back to life since I'm like, you know, putting heat on my hair sometimes. I'm trying to kind of like stay away from it a little bit, but and after my haircut, my hair does curl a little bit more, which is nice. But this definitely makes a huge difference when I scrunch it and brush it like that. Whippa!
Qué funny, dude.
Sos rizos. My sister really does not put heat on her hair, like ever. Right, Vane? When was the last time? For my wedding?
No. Como, it was like in October, maybe?
Oh my god, that's crazy. It's been so long. ¿Y tú tienes un lado de tu cabello que se riza más que el otro?
Sí. El derecho.
Y el
Se
mío,
riza,
el
¿verdad?
derecho. ¿Por qué será?
Yo no sé.
I know we're not the only ones.
Yeah, yo estoy segura que...
Comment down below if one side of your hair is like curlier than the other one. Alright guys, so we're gonna start diffusing our hair, and I guess we'll be back with the final look. But so far I really like these products. Like I feel like I'm gonna get a pretty nice curly hair day. We'll see. But what do you think? Do you like them so far?
Yeah, I like them. But I wish they had a leave-in conditioner.
Yeah. Wow, look at that volume. We both have like a lot of volume.
My hair is really short.
Oh, she did like a little peinado. Enséñales. A little hairstyle, super cute. With the little curls in the front. And I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. But yeah, what do you think? Oh, thank you. What do you think of the products?
Oh, me.
I still have to dry my hair a little bit more, but it's pretty much dry. So I'm going to just leave it like this. But after my haircut, my hair is like curling a lot more, and I'm so excited. So yeah, you're going to have to do that hairstyle on me because it looks so cute. But I like the products. I do wish that they had a leave-in conditioner because my hair does feel a little bit like crunchy because of all the gel. Do you feel the same way?
Yeah.
Right? Like it feels a little bit like crunchy. If I had a leave-in conditioner, maybe it would be more soft.
Yeah, it will be softer.
But we're gonna add some of the serum. Why
but
not?
It still looks good.
Yeah. You wanna add some? Just to add more shine. Feels better already. Okay.
Se siente mejor.
Yeah, se siente mucho mejor. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my sister's channel. I'm gonna link it down below.
Vane G. V-A-N-E-G.
And and go ahead and check out the video that I filmed with her for her channel. But yeah, what do you think overall about these products? I think they're good.
I think they're
really good.
Yeah.
And my hair looks super, super curly. I kind of like them a lot.
My favorite was the shampoo. Because like it really made my scalp feel really clean. Yeah, super clean. A little bit goes such a long way. I didn't have to put like too much on my hand. I also really like the serum. It made my hair like super soft and shiny. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.